Hey guys, good morning. Hope you had a great weekend. I'm going to do a short MTP update and show you how it's looking. So we're right now in drawdown. We're in the stop loss area. So I've invested in the US500 SPX 500. This is the MTP strategy that I've been using. I'm doing some weekly updates so you see the progress of it and then you see how it works and you see if it's legit or not. So the US 500, I did a late entry right here, but it was in the same area as it told me to buy, the breakout buy, right? This is on the US 500. So we're down five, let's say $600 right here, all right? And this can like consolidate in this stop loss area for a while until we see something spiking it up. But you can see, like if you had entered right here in this area, entered right here in this area, there's a breakout buy, the breakout buy, the you get an email and it keep telling you to invest your money basically into it. And doing this with a futures account, not a CFD account. CFD will eat through the fees will eat through your profits. The fees and the spread in the daily transactions if you do CFDs on day trading, intraday trading and day trading, it's fine. Like you can pay. Um, they take spreads and commission and fees on a daily on the day trade. It's not that much. So like you can find a broker that has less and the broker that you're comfortable with. But doing swing trades or when you leave trades over days and weeks, CFDs, the fees from those will eat through your profits. So keep that in mind. So futures is the way to go right here. So in Europe you have IBKR. IBKR in Europe. That's what I'm using because it's easier with the taxes. In the US, they have Ninja Trader. You can also use Ninja Trader, but if you are living in Europe, for me, I find that the tax specifications that they want from Europe, from Ninja Trading can be a bit confusing. So I'm using a futures broker, IBKR, Interactive Brokers from Europe, which makes it easier for me to pay taxes on the profits. So anyhow, so US 500, we're in drawdown right now, and in US 100, we're also in drawdown. This is the NASDAQ. We're also in drawdown. But you can see the drawdown right here doesn't compare to the profits that we are gaining from these areas right here, right? Even though you can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stop losses. These are all stop losses that's been stopped from the breakout buy. But still, these stop losses, we are moving the take profit into profit. Sorry, we're moving the stop loss into take profits. So these stop losses don't are in profits, right? And I've also removed the take profit setting that you can use the take profit setting right here from the inputs. You can use the take profit setting right here, and it tells you to take profit on these areas, these highs, these highs. So if you have taken profit right here, you wouldn't be stopped out right here, but you've missed the entire move from this area right here. See what I mean? So that's why taking profit, it's not ideal for a system like this, and it might feel good to take profit, but we are losing in the long term. So this is the NASDAQ. We're down to $62, and on the DAX, I'm up 866. So I'm not counting it that way because I'm looking at a long-term horizon. This is what I'm doing for my kids, to be honest with you. This is a system that I'm trying to apply for the savings for the kids, right? There's also a crypto system just like this, but um, I haven't tried it out yet. I'm trying out this system and it seems to work for me and it gives me peace of mind and not being able to think about future investments on a weekly basis, on a daily basis. I just wait for the system to email me. I'm checking the emails, so it's active. You can do that through alerts, and you can do that through setting alerts on all the symbols that you've been backtesting with. So the Nikkei did great. It has to be on the daily. You can do it. You can't do it on the weekly. So Nikkei, the Bitcoin, I haven't entered here. I'm still waiting for a breakout buy or a dip buy for me to enter on the Bitcoin. This is gold. This is OMX, and this is NQ Singapore, NASDAQ Singapore. It's loading way too much. They are all in profits. They're all in profits. Anyway, that's about it for this video. Hope you have a great trading week and wishing you nothing but the best. Have a good day.